Well, yours rings every 5 minutes, but mine normally doesn't. Mine's good.
Let me just
Hold on a minute. Charles is putting his busy phone on mute. Come on over here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, no, I'm serious. I got the man in the kitchen with me.
Yeah.
And what are we doing today?
Well, this is Cinco de Mayo week.
It is. We just realized it last night. We just remembered it because you don't realize until the month changes that Cinco de Mayo is coming right on top of you.
Right, exactly. So we want to be first one out with a great dish.
That's right.
There we go.
All right, so come on in closer. We're going to give you a rundown of all the ingredients, and Charles and I are going to make some amazing tacos today.
Yes.
So what's the title of this recipe we're doing?
All right, we are doing fish tacos with chipotle crema.
Nice.
No, wrong. Let's do that again.
All right,
Chipotle-lime crema.
Too much fun. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right, so what's the title of this recipe?
All right, it is fish tacos with chipotle-lime crema.
All right, so I want to talk about this bag first. There's something special about this bag. I went to Bluffton, South Carolina, and there is a family who has a seafood restaurant, and they have a seafood store, and they sell this as their seasoning. And it's good, I heard, on anything, so we're going to try it on the fish. So let me pull this out of the way so you can talk about all the other ingredients.
Okay. Well, we picked corn tortillas. It's a little more healthy, but if you like flour, that's acceptable as well. But today we'll do that. We got this real cool chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. We've got cumin. We've got, this is the coconut oil organic. We've got granulated onion, granulated garlic, lettuce. Favorite ingredient, most important, is the radishes. And here we've got cilantro, Greek yogurt, and salt. And, lime juice.
All right, so the most important ingredient is the cumin. If you've had anything Hispanic, cumin's in it. This is what gives it its Mexican flavor. So don't leave out any of these ingredients. They're all awesome.
All right, and before we forget, the star of the dish is fresh white bass caught in March in the Priest Lake. That we're going to make our fish tacos out of. Now for the preparation for the chipotle crema sauce. We've got our Greek yogurt here. We got the chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, lime juice, and salt. We're going to put it all together in here, and we're going to mix it up, and then we're going to let it chill. How long we got to let it chill, Jack?
30 minutes.
About 30 minutes? Okay, you got it. And we're going to mix this all together. We're going to chop up these peppers right here in the bowl. Get better consistency and better mix. All right, as such. And we'll just mix this around. This will break up nice. All right, we have seasoned our fish with that special seasoning Jack brought from South Carolina. And we've got our other spices here, the cumin, the granulated garlic, and the granulated onion. So we're going to mix this all together, and then we're going to season the fish with this so we get a nice, even consistency. There we go. We'll get a nice, generous. If you could smell what I'm smelling right now, holy mackerel. It is delicious. Now's the time to cook the fish. We've got a little coconut oil in the pan.
The other one. Stir over.
Good deal. All right, the moment of truth has arrived. We've got some heated corn tacos. I put them in the pan, dried the oil so it wouldn't soak it in, but they're nice. They're still hot to the touch. Here's our white man, this bass is delicious. I think if we put anything on it, it'll be great. But okay, we've got all our seasonings here. Here we've got our sauce, all nice and chilled in the refrigerator, this chipotle crema, our lettuce chopped up. We have our radishes, nice and sliced thin, and cilantro for flavor. So we're going to go ahead and start. I'm going to use my hands. They've all been washed. Put a little bit of lettuce in each one because these are small. We're going to put some cilantro, a little bit in there. I'm going to use Jack. I'm going to try the first one. Then I'm going to use Jack as a guinea pig and let Jack taste this. And radishes. Oh, that's a good flavor. And then we're going to put some fish and we'll put the sauce on top of it. This fish came beautiful. Put a little bit in here. Okay, a little bit more. That seasoning that we use from South Carolina that you brought is excellent. And now, the chipotle crema. Oh man, this is ridiculous. I could see already.
All right, here you go. The bite of all bites. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Go ahead.
Here we go.
How's that crema sauce? Is it good? Yeah?
It's delicious.
Oh, man.
Well, this is really good.
All right, I'm going to start making mine. I will see you guys on the next episode, whether you're watching on Fish Hook or you're watching on Cooking with Jack. We love you very much, and we will see you on the next episode on both channels. Take care.
Take care.